Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you on how to crochet rise stitch. This is a one row repeat and it has a very nice texture. You can use this for blankets, bags, and many more. This is the front and this is the other side. Alright, let's get started. First, make a slip knot. And make a foundation chain in any odd numbers. I'm making 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. In the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, this one here, place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And this chain does not count as a stitch. On the next chain, place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Double crochet. For this round, place a double crochet into every chain. By the end of the round, I will have 13 stitches. And I'll meet you on the next round. To begin the next round, 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, this one here, place a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. On this stitch, place a front post double crochet. A front post double crochet is like a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook behind the post like this, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. The next stitch is a back post double crochet. It is similar to a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook from behind like this. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Front post double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Back post double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Front post double crochet, and back post double crochet. And this is the repeat for this round. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, I just did a front post double crochet. On my last stitch, place a half double crochet. And to begin the next round, 1 chain and turn. This is going to be the same as the last round. On the first stitch, always place a half double crochet. The next stitch, which is this one over here, always a front post double crochet. Then a back post double crochet on this stitch. front post double crochet, and back post double crochet. And this is a repeat. Repeat this all around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, 2 stitches left. Second last stitch is always a front post double crochet. On the last stitch, half double crochet. And this is a repeat. You just need to continue to repeat this round over and over again. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!